Our next Quest for the Best Award recipient is Naomi Moore. Naomi is a senior majoring in international security and conflict resolution. Her involvements include the Olive Tree Initiative, the Counterterrorism Group, Model United Nations, and the Associated Students External Relations Board. Naomi has volunteered with the United Nations Association and the International Rescue Committee. She has been honored with the Critical Language Scholarship, Phi Kappa Beta, and Students for a New American Politics Fellowship. Naomi's advisor said of her, "In the classroom, Naomi is a very confident and attentive student, contributing key questions and insights to class discussion. Her hard work, sense of responsibility, and intellectual curiosity and critical thinking skills stand out among her peers. Outside the classroom, she is curious, ambitious, and is an active student. Long-term, as an ethnic minority and a woman, Naomi will provide an important presence and unique insight to help address gaps for the historically underrepresented in the United States Foreign Service. I am proud to have her represent us." After graduation, Naomi will apply for a Fulbright grant as an English teaching assistant or pursue a master's in terrorism studies. Naomi is honoring Dr. Cheryl O'Brien from Political Science. Dr. O'Brien, thank you for your mentoring. We will now watch a video and some remarks from Naomi.
Hi, my name is Naomi Moore, and I'm from Tracy, California, and I'm honored to have received the Quest for the Best award because for me, college has been somewhat difficult, and I actually wanted to leave after my second year of college, and trying to find my place in San Diego and on campus had been a really hard thing for me to overcome. And I think one of the ways I was able to do that was by getting involved in different organizations, whether it be on campus or off campus, and that kind of allowed me to find my place. And with winning the award, I feel like I never really knew if what I was doing was right, but through winning and receiving the Quest for the Best award, I feel that I've kind of been reaffirmed that I am taking the right path. And I've had mentors and people that I look up to who received the award, and kind of receiving it myself is something that I'm very proud of because it's what people that I've looked up to have done. And I just really want to thank my faculty staff that I had appreciated, and that's Dr. Cheryl O'Brien in the Political Science Department, because without her, I don't think I would have fell in love with my major as much as I have, because she's the one that was really able to kind of reaffirm me that I am capable and able to take on harder classes and really be able to critically think and analyze different kinds of information. And I also want to thank my friends and family who have been a very big support system for me throughout all 4 years of college, and I know will continue to support me in the future.